In this video, we will show you the cause of a laptop that sometimes hangs when it is just turned on. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. So the condition is stuck here. We try to force a shutdown, then we try to turn it back on. And the laptop turns on and works normally, no longer stuck. The problem reappears after we shut down, and we will turn it back on. Stuck again. After we disassemble the case, we try again. It still gets stuck. Then we try to replace the SSD with another one. And it turns out that the laptop does not get stuck, it works normally. After trying to shut down, the laptop can still work normally. So the cause of this ThinkPad laptop sometimes getting stuck, unable to boot into Windows, is a problem with the SSD. By replacing it, the problem goes away and the laptop can work normally again.